Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed, energized, and knowing that your kidneys are thanking you for the nourishment you provide them. In today's video, we're diving into the world of kidney health and discovering the best 10 home foods that not only detoxify, but also cleanse and support your kidneys. These foods aren't just nutritious. They're kidney superheroes, ready to combat toxins and promote optimal kidney function. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to jot down these kidney-loving foods for your next grocery run. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are small, but mighty when it comes to kidney health. Packed with antioxidants and compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, cranberries are excellent for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, and promoting kidney detoxification. Incorporate fresh cranberries or unsweetened cranberry juice into your diet to support your kidney's natural cleansing process. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water isn't just a thirst quencher, it's a kidney-friendly elixir. Packed with vitamin C and citric acid, lemons can help prevent kidney stones and support overall kidney function. Sip on a glass of lemon water daily to kickstart your detox journey and keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Number 3. Watermelon. When it comes to hydration and kidney health, watermelon takes the crown. This delicious fruit is not only hydrating, but also rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Enjoying watermelon regularly can also promote urine production, aiding in the natural detoxification process of your kidneys. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's also a kidney-friendly superfood. Rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds, garlic supports kidney health by helping to lower inflammation and improve blood circulation. Incorporating garlic into your cooking not only adds depth to flavors, but also boosts your kidney's natural detoxification processes. Number 5. Kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and calcium, kale supports kidney function by promoting hydration and providing essential nutrients. Incorporate kale into your meals through salads, smoothies, or sautés to boost your kidney's detoxification abilities. Number 6. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, are bursting with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that benefit kidney health. These vibrant fruits not only add sweetness to your diet, but also help protect your kidneys from oxidative damage and support overall detoxification. Enjoy a variety of berries as snacks, in smoothies, or atop yogurt for a kidney-loving treat. Number 7. Apples. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it also supports kidney health. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, including quercetin, which helps reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells. Snack on fresh apples or add slices to salads and oatmeal for a kidney cleansing boost. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and detoxifier for your kidneys. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful antioxidant properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation and support detoxification pathways. Incorporate turmeric into your cooking, such as curries, soups, and golden milk, to reap its kidney-loving benefits. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage may not be the most glamorous vegetable, but it's a kidney-friendly powerhouse. Rich in vitamins C and K, as well as fiber and phytonutrients, cabbage supports kidney health by promoting detoxification and reducing oxidative stress. Enjoy cabbage in salads, stir-fries, or as a crunchy side dish to nourish your kidneys. Number 10. Beetroot. Beetroot is a vibrant addition to your kidney cleansing arsenal. Packed with betalains, antioxidants, and nitrates, beetroot supports kidney function by promoting blood flow, reducing inflammation, and aiding in detoxification. Incorporate beetroot into your diet through salads, juices, or roasted beetroot dishes for a colorful and kidney-friendly boost. Number 11. Celery. Celery is not just a crunchy snack, it's also a great choice for kidney health. With its high water content and natural diuretic properties, celery can help flush out toxins and support kidney function. Incorporate celery into your diet through soups, salads, or as a crunchy addition to snacks for a kidney cleansing boost. Number 12. Carrots. Carrots are not only good for your eyes, but also for your kidneys. Packed with beta-carotene, vitamins, and fiber, carrots support kidney health by reducing inflammation and promoting detoxification. Enjoy carrots raw as snacks, roasted as a side dish, or cooked in soups and stir-fries for a kidney-loving treat. Number 13. Ginger. Ginger is more than just a spice. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and detoxifier for your kidneys. Rich in gingerol and antioxidants, ginger can help reduce kidney inflammation, improve digestion, and support detoxification pathways. Incorporate ginger into your diet through teas, stir-fries, soups, or grate it onto salads for a kidney-friendly kick. Number 14. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic choice for kidney health. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including potassium and magnesium, spinach supports kidney function by promoting hydration and providing essential nutrients. Enjoy spinach in salads, smoothies, omelets, or sautés for a kidney-loving boost. Congratulations on discovering the top 10 home foods for detoxifying and cleansing your kidneys. By incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you're not only supporting your kidney health, but also nourishing your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and kidney-friendly foods is key to maintaining optimal kidney function. Stay hydrated, stay active, and prioritize your kidney health for a vibrant and fulfilling life. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and here's to happy, healthy kidneys